Hey guys, we're hanging out in Corona Del Mar. I'm hanging out with Mark at E-Bikes of Corona Del Mar.
E-Bikes Corona Del Mar.
Right through that door. Did a little tour earlier, and I wanted to like pick your brain, get your help with this, because you've got one of the Kuat hitch racks. I've got one of the Kuat hitch racks. They just sent me this new bike ramp, which I think Thule has one, like the Easy Fold or something.
They do, yeah.
Is that Yakima or is that Thule?
It's Thule.
It's Thule? Okay.
Yeah.
So I wanted to see if it worked on both of our racks. I wanted to do a little bit of unboxing, and I had these Girl Scout cookies. I didn't want to eat them all myself, and I was like, I know someone I could share. So that's the plan, you guys. We're going to do an unboxing. We just like open it up real quick here, and let's see what's inside.
Get it open.
Again, they just sent me this because they actually gave me that rack 2 years ago, and I put a stromer on it and it fell off because I forgot to like use the ratchet.
You know,
that was embarrassing.
I had a Thule rack forever, and actually I had it for a year because I know that because it fell apart in a year.
Oh,
and so
no.
Now I'm only Kuat, and I love them. They're great. They're
It
awesome
is great.
racks.
And these ones, I think mine has these like big cups, so they actually work with fat tire bikes, and it's got this like kick thing where you can just fold it down. It gets really good gas mileage because it's like behind the slipstream, which obviously I care about. I'm driving the Prius, and you got the Tacoma over here, which just looks mean, man. Super clean. Look at that. So what's going on here? You pulled it out of the box, didn't you?
So yeah, it looks like we got the tray assembly right here, and we're just gonna attach that on.
Do you think this is aluminum or steel?
This has got to be steel. It's got some weight behind it for sure.
Okay, because we were setting it on the ground, and I was thinking like we don't want to get it scratched up because it might get rusty then. Will you fold your rack down real quick too, Mark? Does yours have like the easy fold thing?
No, mine does not. And so you got the fancy pants, you know? And I got to still manual labor over here. So let's see.
How would this work? We haven't even read the instructions or anything. Yeah, see, it looks like it's not. Let's take it over to mine real quick and see if, I guess it would be at the end. Maybe like in this track. We haven't read the instructions at all. See, it has another like plastic.
So it's got a little thing on here, so I'm guessing this comes off.
It like slides out.
Yeah, and then this expands.
Okay, we're gonna look at the instructions and cut that.
Look at that! Oh,
we're making progress.
Yeah, so this is a security Torx right here. I'm actually glad you came and did this because I was missing a security Torx because I pulled my thing off and I don't have a tool for it. So look at you.
We're gonna like help fix yours too?
You're gonna help me fix mine. I already have the part too. I just don't have the security Torx thing.
Sweet. I feel like it's as simple as that. Like, I hope you guys get it. We got the little flat piece that goes in before the plastic, one on each end, and then this tray thing just sits in the back of your car.
Look at that. I just cracked the oil pan. Look at that. It's dripping.
It's dripping out. This rack's done well. It's been on my car for like a couple of years, I think. Through all kinds of stuff, like up in Canada, the snow and the salt and stuff, and I'm not seeing a ton of rust. My hitch is rusting a little bit. I had to put that on my car myself, buddy.
That's like part of it.
It's like,
come on.
We're making progress, people. You see how it's like this little thingy? That's cool.
All right. That took an astonishing 20 seconds through editing.
That's right. Through the magic of editing.
Through the magic of editing.
You can't even eat Girl Scout cookies, can you? Because your stomach aches.
Yeah, a little bit.
No pressure. Man, where am I gonna give these? I gotta give them away somewhere else.
So I'm already like brainstorming, you know, got the wheels moving in my head and stuff. And Court brought up a great point. This thing is gonna get scratched up, scuffed up. It is steel.
It's steel, yeah.
So what I was suggesting, because this is steel and this is the contact point, what we could do is we could tape that off, do a little plasti dip, which is that easy stuff you get from Ace Hardware. And so when it touches the ground, you know, it's got kind of a dampened feel to it. It doesn't, you know, full on get scratched up.
And maybe the other end a little bit.
And the other end too. We could do it here.
Can you take it off real quick? Like, you don't need to fold it up, but like, yeah, you just tip it up. It's a simple design. And this is 5.8 pounds. I weighed it. I used my magnet. The whole thing is steel. And we're going to get a bike. We're going to ramp it up.
That center point right there that usually flexes. I mean, that's got some for sure strength to it.
So good. Shout out to our Girl Scouts. Apparently, any extra money you donate when you buy Girl Scout cookies, they give to buy Girl Scout cookies for the troops. And they send them cookies. I think that's amazing.
That's That's awesome.
Nice and easy. Bring it on. It's like a 60-pound bike. Yeah. Okay, hold up. Get a running start. A nice louvered ramp. So much easier. Oh man.
Oh, that was so easy.
Yeah,
Okay.
I hear, dude.
Look, I put bikes on my car like every single day, and it's a pain. That was legit. I mean, this thing breaks your back sometimes. This is 180 mile range.
Especially,
battery.
gosh, lifting it up and then having to carry it over to the close ramp. What are you doing? Oh, take it off?
Look at that.
Oh, good. Very good, Mark. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, doing the handiwork there to test this out. I like this, you know? It's pretty simple. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It only seems to work on the NV2, which is what I have. We looked at yours, and it's a little bit narrower. It feels like they could make a ramp option for yours, because it's like the same sort of like plastic thing here, but I don't know. I haven't heard anything from them.
Yeah.
So it looks like for now, maybe just the NV2, which does come in black and silver. I'm going to make a little post in the forum, maybe some photos and stuff like that. Sound off if you have this or other ramp systems or any other thoughts. And thank you so much, Electric Bikes of Corona Del Mar.
You're very welcome. Thank you for coming and sharing your Girl Scout cookies.
Oh, yeah. Totally. We'll see you guys in the next one.